Today's the day, Owls. You will be voting for homecoming royalty. Today you are voting for this year's OWHS homecoming candidates. You can vote for 3 men and 3 women from your grade as nominees. Please select 6 in total. On the next few slides, there will be QR codes for each grade level. Advisory teachers, please pause on the slides appropriate to the grade of your advisory class and give students a few minutes to vote for their nominees. Voting ends today at 12 p.m., and the selected nominees will be announced to the student body during the first assembly of homecoming week. There will be a separate voting process to select the final prince and princess of the freshman, sophomore, and junior classes. A king and queen will be selected from the senior class. The homecoming royalty court will be announced at the homecoming football game during halftime. Thank you for your time and for your consideration. Senior advisors, please pause the video and allow your seniors to vote. Junior advisors, please pause the video and allow your juniors to vote. Sophomore advisors, please pause this video and allow your sophomores to vote. Freshman advisors, please pause this video and allow your freshmen to vote.